Hey guys, welcome to Matt's Tech. Today I got Realme X with me. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7110 octa-core SoC with 6.53-inch full view Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It's available in two variants, 4GB and 8GB, and both the variants comes with 128GB UFS 2.1 storage. It have dual nano SIM with dual 4G VoLTE, dual camera 46 MP f1.7 plus 5 MP depth sensor with 16 MP front pop-up camera. It have 3765 mAh battery with VOOC 3.0 fast charging. In-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Android Pie and ColorOS 6.